Good morning, everyone. I'm going to record a video real quick before you all get here, just to kind of give you an explanation of the bibliography page. So up here, I'm going to title my Google Doc. If you prefer to use Microsoft Word, that's fine too. It's pretty much the same thing. I'm going to name it Bibliography Science or Social Studies Fair, whichever you are working on. And then I'm going to give it 2023. That way I can find it easily inside my Google Drive. We're going to change our font. We're going to leave it here as Arial. That is fine. Size 12. And then we're going to hit middle alignment. In the middle, we're going to write Works Cited. And we're going to hit enter one time. Then change it back to left alignment. So let's say this website here I'm doing my science fair project on bubbles, and I found this website that looks really great. So I noticed it's got a date, a name, a title, and some good information in here, and this is a website that I'd like to use. So I'm going to come over here. I open this one here, citethisforme.com, and I'm going to hit create citation. I'm going to click on website because we're using a website. If you used a book, you can use a book the same way. And then I'm going to click over here. I'm going to copy the link, Command C, and paste it into the search bar and click search. You'll see here it searches for our source, Science Behind Bubbles, Kids Discover. There's our link. I'm going to click Cite. So you'll see it found the article title, the URL, the website title, the date we accessed it, which is today, and the date it was published. We're going to want to make sure to double check this information here in a minute. So I'm going to hit continue. And we had an author, so we're going to go ahead and type in her name. Her name was Robin Koontz. Oops. Right, and the first name is Robin. The last name is Koontz, K-O-O-N-T-Z. And everything else looks good. So I'm going to hit complete citation. And it's going to make the citation for me. So I can go ahead here if I have another link that I want to do and hit create citation. It's a website again. I'm going to copy and paste from this website because this one here is a great EDU website, so I know the information's probably credible even though I don't have an author. So I'm going to click on the link, Command C to copy, Control C rather, and Control V to paste. I'm going to click search. Science of Bubbles, Wonders Physics, Wisconsin.edu. I'm going to click Cite. So it's got the article title, the URL, website title, and the date we accessed it. That looks good. I'll hit continue. Now we are missing some information. We don't have an author for this web page, and we don't have a date that it was created, but that's okay. We have this other information and we still need to cite our sources. So we have our article title, the website title, which should be, The Wonders of Physics, and the date we accessed it. So I'm going to hit complete citation. And I'll wait for it to load. So now we have our two citations here, and I am going to click on copy all to copy both of our citations. And it'll say all citations copied. I'm going to come back over to my bibliography page and Control V will paste them. Now we need to change the way this looks a little bit, so I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to bring this back to roughly here where it's supposed to be. And then there are two parts to this. There's the top and then the bottom. So we're going to move the top over and the bottom over a little bit further. So this should be at about 0.00, and this one should be at 0.25. We're going to come over to the line spacing, and we're going to click double. And that is how you create a bibliography page.